Hello again, good morning! We are here at Anawim Elementary School and currently dito naka-enroll si Lauren. He started studying here since 2022. You know what, when I first came here, super amazed talaga ako sa school nila. I never thought na meron palang ganitong school na nag-exist here in Davao. By the way, Anawim Elementary School is managed by the Trinitarian Sisters. Napaka-peaceful ng school nila at ang linis, sobra. We are just so grateful kasi natanggap kami dito sa school. If you ask me how much ang tuition fee nila, this is a non-profit institution. This is a private school but full free tuition fee. I am just so happy kasi pagdating sa academics talagang nailalabas ng mga bata yung full potentials nila. Moving forward, we are here at Pitzubu Cafe. Ito yung nagiging go-to place namin kasi beside the cafe is meron silang car wash. Masarap din yung coffee nila ha. Hindi talaga mawawala yung best carbonara ni Lawrence. Ito talaga yung pinaka favorite niya dito. Ewan ko ba. They also have pastries here. After ng lunch, punta muna kami saglit sa SM para bumili ng mga basic needs. Every time pumupunta kami ng grocery store, hindi talaga siya naglalakad. Gusto niyang nasa cart lang siya lagi kasi napapagod siyang maglakad pero di siya napapagod tumakbo-takbo. Ganito yung mga normal days namin. Most of the time, kami lang dalawa kasi yung dad niya nasa work. You know what? Hindi household chores or yung mga errands ang challenging for me. Yun yung mga questions niya about himself. I remember when he was 4 years old, he was asking me about his fingers. And the additional question was about his eyes. And I was like, oh my gosh, parang na-exhaust ako bigla. And normally, ang ginagawa ko is dinadivert ko yung attention niya kasi ang hirap mag-explain at that very young age. Pero pinapaintindi ko talaga sa kanya gradually. Sinasagot ko naman siya dati pero ang sinasabi ko sa kanya is aayusin to ng doctor. Si Lawrence kasi matalinong bata. Madali niyang maintindihan yung mga bagay-bagay. One time tinanong ko siya, what do you like most about yourself? I am smart and how to golf despite having this condition. And I was so amazed. Sorry na pahaba. Next time na naman ulit.